Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix display larger or smaller than monitor in Windows 10 or 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, click on Start, then click on Settings. Now here click on Display. Now guys, you have to set as your screen size. So you will see display resolution, click on this drop down and you can select as your PC or laptop screen size. It can be 9020 multiple 1080 or another one like this. So select as your need and requirement. So hopefully guys, this simple and easy settings we can fix and we can resolve display larger or smaller than monitor in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.